In today's video, we are giving away one full set of products from Mink PH. So if you guys are interested, just keep on watching. Sup fam, Vince Gonzales here and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alam ko na napakatagal nyo nang hinihintay tong vlog review update na to from this specific brand. Nung pinost ko tong vlog na to, sobrang taas ng hopes ko and apparently naka-reach siya ng 14,000 views. So siguro ko na kailangan nyo na talaga ng update sa vlog na to dahil this is long overdue na. The brand that I'm talking about is none other than Mink PH. Mink PH is sister company siya ng Lana PH, Le Cat Cafe, Wim Manila, and yung CEO and founder of Mink PH is my good friend, Riza Lana. So today, update ko kayo kung ano na ba talaga ang nangyari. So if you guys are interested, what are you waiting for? Let's glow! Before we even begin, I'd like to thank Mink PH for sending me this merch. I'm wearing their merch right now. Ayan, sobrang cute niya. I make it happen. If you guys want to check out some other merch from Mink PH and Lana PH, you can visit www.lana.ph. Actually, nandun lahat ng mga merch nila. But if you guys wanted to avail 5% off your purchases, pwedeng-pwede nyo gamitin yung affiliate link ko nasa description box down below para maka-avail kayo ng 5% off. Sa Lana PH website, meron akong discount code na gumagana. You can use code VINCE5 for 5% off. On the Mink PH website, wala pa akong parang discount code doon, pero meron akong affiliate link wherein you guys can also get 5% off your purchases. So ang gagawin natin, Glow Fam, bibigyan ko muna kayo ng quick recap about the product para ma-refresh yung memory nyo and then sasabihin ko sa inyo kung ano yung naging effect ng product sa akin. Now, the first product that we're gonna talk about is the Mink PH Pretits. This is a boob mask. So product information, yeah, rock your rack with Pretits, our ultra powerful mask that gets rid of bumps and debris, leaving you with skin as soft as jello and just as fun to touch. This one contains 300 grams worth of products. At the back, meron siyang directions for use and nandito rin yung list of ingredients niya. It says here this is made in the Philippines. As you all know, Mink PH is a local brand and meron siya ditong manufacturing date and expiration date. Nandito rin yung social media accounts ng Mink PH. If you guys wanted to see a full-on product review on all the Mink PH products, you can watch my initial vlog about Mink PH. Ilalagay ko na lang dito. You can click here. I suggest na panoorin nyo muna yun bago kayo mag-jump into this video. Pero dahil nga medyo matagal na yun, iba pa yung setup natin nun, so baka manibago kayo. Una sa lahat, Glow Fam, wala naman akong boob, so saan ko ginagamit tong Pretits? To be honest with you guys, ginagamit ko siya sa buong katawan ko pag gusto ko talagang mag-relax. Yung Pretits kasi is meron siyang parang menthol effect na kapag pinapahid mo siya sa katawan mo, parang sobrang nakaka-relax siya. Pero yung very prominent dun sa may dibdib area ko is para siyang merong texture. Hindi ko alam kung para siyang whiteheads or parang nagka-clog lang yung pores. Pero pag hinawakan mo yung area, medyo textured nga siya. Para nga siyang whiteheads. So ako ang ginagawa ko, pagkatapos ko mag-scrub, magbababad na ako ng Pretits sa buong katawan ko except sa neck area hanggang sa pataas. Kasi yung skin ko from here, pataas, medyo sensitive na and baka magkaroon ng reaction sa skin ko yung parang menthol effect ng Pretits. Una sa lahat, dahil mentholated tong Pretits, sobrang nare-relax ako kada pagkatapos kong gamitin tong Pretits. Yung parang ang lamig sa skin, tapos sobrang lambot ng balat mo pagkatapos. Literal, parang baby yung balat mo pagkatapos mong gamitin yung Pretits. As in. Now, what about yung parang whiteheads dun sa dibdib ko? Hindi ako magpapaka-impokrito sa inyo, pero sasabihin ko na pagkatapos kong maligo, pagkatapos ko gamitin to, yes, natatanggal siya, pero permanently na ba siyang natatanggal? Dahil continuous nagpo-produce yung mga oil glands natin dun sa mga pores natin, nagkakaroon pa rin ng whiteheads yung dibdib ko. There are times na nagagamit ko to thrice a week. There are times also na minsan, twice a week ko lang siya nagagamit. In between ang duration ng time na ginagamit ko to, doon nag-accumulate yung parang whiteheads dun sa my chest area ko. And tatanggapin ko na yung fact na I can't avoid that permanently. That is the reason why I am using Pretits. Para at least twice or thrice a week ma-wash off yung mga whiteheads or debris sa chest area ko. The next product that we have is the Mink PH I Am Bootyful, and this is a butt scrub. Product information: this fruity scrub will make your booty so cute. It can be thrown the peach emoji as everybody's favorite butt reference. Say goodbye to butt acne with I Am Bootyful. This contains 300 grams worth of products. Same as Pretits, at the back meron siyang directions for use and it also has a list of ingredients right here. This is also made in the Philippines. Meron din siyang manufacturing date and expiration date. What I love about I Am Bootyful is yung watermelon cotton candy infused scent niya. Like sa sobrang sobrang bango nito, gugustuhin mong parang kainin siya, pero wag mo kakainin kasi asin to. Tulad nga na sabi ko kanina, glow femming type ng skin ko, also on my butt area, hindi ako masyadong mapimple. Siguro occasionally lang nagkakaroon ako ng isa o kaya dalawa, pero same as my chest area, meron din siyang parang bumps or yung parang whiteheads or yung parang textured skin. Also, same as my chest area, I know that I can't avoid that permanently, yung parang texture or yung parang bumps dun sa my butt area ko. Pero yeah, that is also the reason why I'm using I Am Bootyful para matanggal yung mga whiteheads or yung textured area down there. Tulad nga na sabi ko kanina, katulad ng Pretits, ginagamit ko rin to almost on my entire body. And yung combination talaga ng Pretits and I Am Bootyful, sobrang ganda. Ako personally, sobrang hiyang na hiyang talaga ako dito sa Pretits and sa I Am Bootyful. Overall, yung pros ng paggamit ng dalawang to is nawawala yung parang debris or yung texture nung chest area ko and nung butt area ko. Since then, hindi na ako tinutubuan ng pimples dito sa may dibdib. And just the combination of Pretits na medyo mentholated, so marerelax ka talaga. Tapos sigundahan mo ng I Am Bootyful na amoy watermelon na parang cotton candy na sweet. Pagkatapos mong gamitin, parang baby yung dating ng skin mo, as in. Bago ang lahat, Glow Fam, gusto ko lang magbigay ng disclaimer na dahil nga intimate skincare products yung pinapag-usapan natin, wala siyang pinagkaiba sa regular skincare products. You guys know na pag gumagamit tayo ng skincare products, either make or break yan. Kung magiging hiyang ka dun sa product, makikita mo talaga yung full potential, yung lahat ng claims ng product lalabas and may experience mo. On the other hand, if unfortunately hindi ka ganun kahiyang or hindi ka totally hiyang dun sa product, there is a huge possibility na ma-experience mo yung opposite ng claims ng product. Baka makakita ka ng medyo reaction dun sa skin mo, parang mga pimples. Isa lang yung ibig sabihin nun, kahit gaano kaganda yung product, there is a certain type of ingredient na posibleng hindi nag-work well with your skin type. That's why Glow Fam, lagi kong nire-reiterate sa inyo na make sure to check the list of ingredients before you even try any products, cosmetics man yan, skincare man yan, kasi we wanted to avoid any allergic reactions in the future. If binasa mo yung list of ingredients and tingin mo hindi ka naman allergic sa any of them, then posibleng yung formula na ng product yung hindi hiyang sa balat mo. If any of that happens, kung nalaman mong hindi ka talaga hiyang, well, I highly recommend that you stop using the product. The next product that we're going to talk about is the Mink PH Bikini. This one is a Bikini Serum. This contains 15 ml worth of products. Product information, yeah, never apologize for showing off your cheeky side. Here to push you further is this powerful serum designed to even out any discoloration you've got down south. It says here this is made in the Philippines. They have their social media accounts right here. Meron siyang directions for use, and this one also has the list of ingredients. Now, sasabihin nyo, bakit puno pa yung sayo? Actually, bote-bote na ng mga ganito yung nagamit ko. Hindi ko na nga makita yung isa. And ito yung bagong set ko. What I like about Bikini is na even out niya yung skin tone dun sa may parang butt area ko. Pero syempre hindi ko naman papakita yung puwet ko sa inyo. But since nung ginagamit ko tong Bikini, medyo nag-even out yung skin tone ko. Bakit ko sinasabing medyo? Kasi guys, hindi naman siya yung agad-agad na parang 1 week biglang boom, ang puti-puti na ng puwet mo. Yun nga rin yung sabi ko dun sa dati kong vlog. Wala siyang claims na papaputiin niya yung puwet mo. Ang pinaka-claim na nakalagay sa Bikini is i-even out niya yung skin tone, yung bikini area mo or yung sa may singit mo, and yung butt area mo, lalo na dun sa may parang kuyukot area. So kung ina-expect mo na papaputiin niya, very wrong yon. Dahil wala naman nakalagay na papaputiin. Sabi, i-even out yung tone or any discoloration dun sa area. So yeah, ginagamit ko to once a day, every after ko maligo. Pero dahil nga medyo malaki yung puwet area ko, ang ginagawa ko, tinatanggal ko yung parang roller. Roller type applicator kasi to. Tinatanggal ko to, tapos naglalagay lang ako ng konti dun sa palm ko, tapos tsaka ko siya i-massage dun sa may puwet area ko. So yes, hindi pa ako masyadong mahilig sa mga roller type applicator. Skincare man yan, or lip tint man yan, or cosmetics man yan. Nahihirapan ako mag-apply kapag roller type yung applicator niya. One more thing na gusto kong i-discuss sa inyo about sa mga pampaputi or pampa-even out ng skin tone ng mga products is that meron pa rin tayo mga bagay na dapat i-consider kapag gumagamit tayo ng mga products na ganito. Like yung iniisip mo bang problematic area mo or yung target area mo is meron siyang discoloration because of an environmental cause, like nababad ka sa araw, or like palagi ka bang nakaluhod, or nakaupo, or nakaganon, tapos parang nangitim na lang agad yung area, then yes, pwede mong gamitin yung mga types of products na ganito. Pero if yung target area mo is genetically ganun na talaga yung itsura niya since nung parang pinanganak ka pa lang, well, ganun na talaga yung magiging appearance nun. Like ako, pinanganak akong may balat sa singit. Yung balat ko sa singit is parang mapa. Hindi naman siya like yung mukhang nunal na balat, para lang siyang birthmark. So, di ba ang birthmark considered siya na parang discoloration. Kahit ilang galong Peekini yung ilagay ko dun sa birthmark na yon or dun sa balat na yon, hindi at hindi mawawala yon. Nagigets nyo ba? Comment below kung nagigets nyo. Like, kung pinanganak ka na medyo dark na yung area dun sa may singit mo or dun sa may kuyukot area mo, dark na talaga yung area na yon. Kung meron kang balat sa may singit area or sa may kuyukot area, balat na talaga yon. Nagets nyo ba yung explain ko? Please comment below. Moving on to the next product we have here, the Mink PH Bring Me to Life. This is an elbow and knee serum. This one contains 15 ml worth of products, and yung product information niya, calling your name to save you from dark elbows and knee is Bring Me to Life. Its woke AF formula will give you the ultimate freedom to wear anything you want with oozing confidence. This is also made in the Philippines. Meron din siyang directions for use and meron din siyang list of ingredients. Itong Bring Me to Life, this is one of my favorite products from Mink PH. Dahil sobrang game changer talaga to. Nung medyo bata-bata pa ako, since elementary hanggang high school, varsity ako ng volleyball. Pati nung college, varsity pa rin ako ng volleyball sa Southwell Foreign University. So meron talaga akong problema sa tuhod ko dahil lagi kaming nagsa-squat, nagtitraining, luhod ng luhod, nadudumihan, at lagi akong exposed sa araw nun. So yes, medyo umitim ng very light yung tuhod ko. What's amazing about the Mink PH Bring Me to Life is 1 to 2 weeks pa lang makikita mo na yung effect niya. Hindi naman like sobrang pumuti na agad yung tuhod ko or yung siko ko, pero on the first 1 to 2 weeks, makikita mo na meron siyang parang micro-peeling. Medyo nagulat ako at first nung nakita ko yon. Inisip ko na parang nadapa ba ako or nagasgas ba ako somewhere kasi parang may nakita ako na parang nagsished na skin. Diba ganun pag nagasgas ka, parang tuklap yung balat? Ganun yung na-notice ko sa Bring Me to Life. Nagpi-peel off siya pero very minimal na peeling. Hindi siya yung parang full slab ng skin na ipipeel off mo na buong-buo siya. Hindi. Sobrang pino niya, maliliit na particles, pero makikita mong nagbabalat siya. Or parang nagpapalit siya ng balat. Sobrang gustong-gusto ko talaga to. Last but not the least, we have here the Mink PH Happy Nippy Nipple Serum. This one also contains 15 ml worth of products, product information. If nipples could smile, then this would be the reason why. Puff out your chest knowing that the power of pink is in you. This one is also made in the Philippines. Meron siyang directions for use. Meron din siyang list of ingredients. Alam ko na pinakihintay nyo to, so nag-pink nga ba yung utong ko? Well, unfortunately, Glowfam, hindi naman to talaga pampapink ng utong. Yes, sabi dito na puff out your chest knowing that the power of pink is with you. Well, hindi naman natin to dapat i-take literally. Baka metaphor lang siya, like the power of pink, like yung girl power, ganun. What this actually does is same as the other two serums ng Mink PH. This is also used to even out yung skin tone dun sa nipple area mo, and this one also moisturizes the area on or around your nipple. So kung ikaw yung type of person na yung nipple mo or yung areola mo is medyo uneven yung skin tone o kaya merong mga cracks or medyo dry, then I suggest na you try this product para maayos natin yung discoloration na nangyayari and para maayos natin yung areola and yung cracks just right around your nipple. So yeah, those are all the products that we have from Mink PH. Gusto ko lang magpasalamat sa lahat ng nanood ng initial vlog. 14,000 views. Sino mag-aakala nga abot ng 14,000 views yun? Grabe, super intense. I also would like to thank my Mink PH family for sponsoring the products that I use and for also sponsoring the giveaway na gagawin natin today. Speaking of giveaway, we are going to have one winner ng full set of products from Mink PH. So meron tayong Pretits, merong I Am Bootyful, merong Peekini, merong Happy Nippy, and meron ding Bring Me to Life. All you need to do is to check on the mechanics. It's on the description box down below para makasali na kayo. Again, if you guys are interested in getting products from Mink PH, you guys can use my affiliate link. It's on the description box down below for 5% off your purchases. If you want to check out merch from Mink PH or Lana PH, or if you're interested to get on different skincare products from Lana PH, you can also use my Lana MattiPH affiliate link to get 5% off your purchases, or you can also use code VINCE5 for 5% off at www.lana.ph. Before we even end the video, I'd like to thank my good friend Riza Lana. Thank you so much, Riza, for supporting my vlogs and for having me. Sobrang that means a lot to me. Maraming salamat and congratulations. I also want to greet a very happy birthday to one of the members of the Glow Fam community, James Valiente. Such a great makeup artist and a business owner. Happy birthday, baby. Enjoy your day. So what do you guys think? Ano yung pinaka-favorite nyong products from Mink PH? Let me know your thoughts. Sound off below. That's it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Again, Vince Gonzales here, and I'll see you on the next one.